Good morning. This is Mrs. Elmer. I just wanted to go over how to use the graphing feature on Edulastic. So on problem number 1, you're to graph the point 36. So you'll click on the little crayon looking thing that says point A, and then you will start at 0, 0. The point 36 is to the right 3 and up 6. You'll put a dot, and then you're ready to go on to the next one. For number 2, it looks a little bit different. Instead of having the crayon looking thing that says point A on it, it's got this square over here. But you'll click on the square. The point -2, 3 means we start in the center at 0, 0. -2 means we go left 2 and up 3, and we'll put our dot, and then we'll move on to the next one. I'm going to skip number 3 and 4. Number 5, 6, 7, and 8 is where you're graphing lines. So we look at y equals 2/3 x minus 3. Now remember that's mx plus b. So our y-intercept is at -3, and our slope is up 2 and to the right 3. So I click on the box to get my line. I start at my y-intercept, which is down here at -3, and I click. Now notice when you click, you get a whole line. So we've got one of our points in the right place. This point here is at the y-intercept point. That's in the right place. Now I'm going to grab this point here, and I'm going to move it where it goes if I were to follow the slope. If I take the slope from the point 3 and count up 2 and to the right 3, that means I'm right here at this spot here. So I'm going to take this point, and I'm going to move it over to the spot that's up 2 and right 3 from the spot that we started with at our y-intercept. Let's try that again with question number 6. So I click on the spot that says line A, the little crayon looking thing, and I look at my line. Y equals mx plus b. My y-intercept is 6, so I'm going to start way up here at +6 and click on my y-intercept. So this point is in the correct spot. This point over here, the one that I've turned blue, that's not in the right spot. This point needs to be moved up 1 and over 2. Well, if you notice, I can't go up 1 and over 2. But what I can do is go down 1 and back 2. So I'm going to move the line so that point is down 1 and back 2. Graph the line y equals 2x plus 3. So our line is in mx plus b form. Y equals mx plus b. So our y-intercept is here at 3. And our slope is 2. But remember, rise over run. Think of that as 2 over 1. So here's one of the points on your lines. And you're going to count up 2 and to the right 1 to get the other point on your line.